This fault can be quite easy if you're not sure where the road ends. So when the examiner tells you to turn left or right, you need to be aware that there's a junction coming up soon. And the best way to do that really is looking at these lines on the floor. It shows you there's something coming on. These are called hazard lines. So I'm going to turn right here. So right mirror, center mirror, right mirror, signal right. Then as I approach, I'm going nice and slowly. And then I can make my turn without going over the line. Going too far over the giveaway line could cause problems, like either making other cars swerve, cars that are already on the main road, they might swerve out the way, or you might even crash into them if you're not careful. So there's ways to avoid it. You can use reference points. So on this one, I'm going to just position myself here like that, so you can see there's cars coming, so I don't want to go over the line, and I'm using the reference point there. So that line is just underneath my wing mirror, so that way I know I'm not too far over the line. So when it's like this, the bonnet is not over the line and it's not too far back as well, so I can still see what's going on in the road that I'm trying to turn into. And once it's clear, check again, and then I can make my move. So the line might be slightly different for you depending on what car you drive and how you sit as well. So just work it out with an instructor. Or if you go somewhere quiet, really quiet, let's say with your parents or something, and then you stop, just see where the reference point is. You can come out and check as well, and then you can see exactly how far the car is from the giveaway line. One way that people mess this up is they don't realize that a junction is coming up, so they might approach it really quickly. The best way to do that, to avoid that, is looking at the sign. So we've got a sign that's saying giveaway, we've got hazard lines leading up to the giveaway sign. We're going to turn left here. So look out for signs telling you that there's a junction coming up. That way, as you approach it, you're not going to be going too fast, and you can be more prepared so you don't go over the line. Another way to make sure you get this right as well is to let's go left. So mirror, mirror, signal left. Another way to get it right is to make sure you use the correct gear. So as I'm approaching this now, I can't see anything from the left or the right properly until I get closer. I'm going to make sure I go into gear 1, because if I was in gear 2, there's a chance I might approach this too fast, and then I would go over the line. So making sure you've got the correct gear will help you approach it at the correct speed, and then you can actually deal with it properly, rather than realizing too late that you're going too fast, and then by the time you realized, you're already across the line. Mirror, mirror, signal left. So you want to have a plan as you approach this as well. You don't want to just go in there and then hope for the best and go. So right now I can't see, so my plan already is to make sure that I'm going into gear 1, and then I'm going really slowly and checking the sides from early. Once I can see that it's clear, then I carry on. I don't want to come out of here if I'm not sure whether it's clear or not. So if you're unsure whether it's clear or not, you need to make sure you've stopped or gone really slowly, so that only when you're certain that it's clear, then you can make your move. So there are times when you're going to have to go over the line, in places where you can't really see properly and it's really closed off. But first of all, you want to stop by the giveaway line in the first place. So you don't want to just go out straight away. So like here, for instance, I'm going to stop, I'm going to use my reference point, just the line is there, but I can't see anything until I come out a bit further. So then now, I might even open my window so I can hear a bit more. Then now I can peep and creep, so sticking my head forward as far as I can, then I'm creeping out slowly, checking for any sounds. I can hear a car coming from that side, I think. So yeah, I can hear it there. Once it's gone past, keep listening out for more cars, looking out for any lights, any reflections. Yeah, so that way. So when I first got to the giveaway line, I had to stop by the line because I couldn't see anything. I wouldn't want to go out and then start checking. I can stop by the line, and then I'll use my peep and creep technique. So peeping as far forward as I can, and then creeping forward bit by bit until I can see that it's clear.